I just have to tell you what happened the other day. Johnny and Bubbles were on their way through the woods. They were going to visit Johnny's grandma.
I thought you said you knew where your grandma lived.
I do, or I did. I think we're lost.
Nothing looks familiar.
I think we've passed that tree a few times.
Oh no.
And that rock.
Wait, where are our glasses? Maybe if you put them on, you could see better. And we can find our way out.
Great idea, Bubbles.
Okay, do you see anything familiar now?
I don't think so. Wait!
What is it?
Oh, never mind. I thought I saw a mermaid.
Wait, we're in the middle of the woods, Johnny. How would we see a... Oh, forget it.
Then their friend Charlie came walking past. Maybe he could help Johnny and Bubbles.
Hey guys, how are you? Hi, Charlie.
We are great.
Well, not too great. To tell you the truth, Charlie, we're lost. Lost? Oh no, can I help you? That would be wonderful.
We're looking for my grandma's house.
Yeah, can you show us which way to go, please? Oh, sure. Your grandma's so nice. She always gives me candy when I go visit her. If you go that way, there's a path you can walk up. Just follow it all the way to your grandma's house. Tell her I said hello. We will. Thanks, Charlie.
So Bubbles and Johnny found the path and followed it for a long time. Finally, they came to a fork in the path.
Oh no! Charlie forgot to tell us which one to take.
Which one? There's only one fork. Why is there a fork?
I don't know. And honestly, where did this fork come from? I guess
A mermaid.
John, mermaids, I told you this before, don't live in the woods.
How do you know?
Mermaids live in the sea, not on land.
Oh, this is hopeless. We'll never find my grandma.
Johnny, it's okay. It's okay. We'll find her. It's okay. It's okay.
Here came their pal Moosey. Maybe he could help Johnny and Bubbles.
Hey, Bubbles. Hey, Johnny. What are you doing out here?
Thank goodness, Moosey. I am so glad to see you.
Is he okay?
Well, we're on our way to visit Johnny's grandma, but he doesn't know which way to go. Do you know where she lives?
I'm not sure. I don't think I've ever met her. She has gray hair and is always making candy. Oh, that's your grandma? She's nice. Yeah, just follow the left path. You can't miss it. Thank you so much. Thank you, Moosey! Sure, don't mention it, and be careful.
Wait. Why would you tell us to be careful? Your grandma's so nice.
I don't know, maybe he meant there's a huge hole in the middle of the road, or a lion, or a giant bag of marshmallows.
Yeah. Maybe. Anyways.
What a strange thing for Moosey to say. At last, Bubbles and Johnny were on their way to Grandma's house. Was that it? Her house was made of candy?
Maybe she redecorated.
I don't think so. This can't be it.
You know how much she loves candy.
Yeah. But I don't think she'll cover her house in it. Wait, this reminds me of a story. Oh, what was it?
Pride and Prejudice?
No.
Tale of Two Cities?
No, definitely not.
Hansel and Gretel?
Oh, yes, that's it. Wait. I don't think we should go in there.
Why not?
Don't you remember the story about the witch?
My grandma is not a witch and you know it. She's the nicest lady in the whole world.
I didn't say your grandma's a witch. I don't think this is her house. What are you doing? Stop knocking!
I am knocking on the door so Grandma will know we're here.
That's not her house.
Grandma!
What?
You probably know by now that this was the house from Hansel and Gretel. As you also know, the witch in that story died. This was her sister, definitely not Johnny's grandma. They were at the wrong house. The witch seemed confused, but she decided to use this case of mistaken identity to her advantage. You'll see.
Oh, Billy?
Billy's my twin, it's me, Johnny.
Hold a minute. Twin? Oh yeah. Johnny. I knew it was you. It's so good to see you.
Grandma, you remember my friend Bubbles, don't you?
Oh, of course I remember your friend Bubbles. You're delicious looking friend. What? Come on in. I don't want to.
Oh, come on, Bubbles, what's wrong with you?
I think she wants to eat me.
Oh, of course she doesn't.
Actually, you look really tasty.
Bubbles! Grandma! Oh, you know you really shouldn't joke like that.
I'm sure you're right, dear. Would you mind putting me in the pot?
What? Why? You can't eat my friend, Grandma!
Of course I can. And don't call me Grandma.
But you are my grandma, aren't you? Oh, where's my glasses? You're not my grandma!
I hate to tell you this, but I'm really not sure exactly what happened next. It was all a blur. As soon as Johnny yelled, a great big green thing came swooping down from the sky, grabbed the witch, and took her off to who knows where.
Oh!
So, what happened? Where's the witch? Are we safe?
I don't think you'd believe me if I told you.
You're probably right. I'm hungry.
Well, me too. The witch is gone. Let's hit her house.
Let's do it!
Yeah!
Soon, Johnny's real grandma, who had been out looking for Johnny and Bubbles, joined them, and their friend Jellyfish joined them.
Oh, my dear.
He was flying by when he heard Johnny yell and took care of the witch. They ate that entire house. They all had tummy aches that night, but it was worth it.